Zimbly. Today on our food adventure, we're going to God's own country, and that is Kerala in South India. The cuisine is bold and delicious, and today we're making a prawn or shrimp ghee roast. Kerala sits on the Malabar coast in the Konkan region and has access to the best seafood. The shrimp recipes are absolutely delicious. This one is made using ghee or clarified butter. Before I go any further with this absolutely mouth-watering recipe, do make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I upload a ton of videos every week. And ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with the hung yogurt so it has the most time to drain the excess water. I have some cheesecloth over a sieve and over a bowl, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Give this a light squeeze and just allow the water to drain. Next, I'm going to use 8 gorgeous dried Kashmiri chilies, and I'm going to add this to my hot tawa or roasting pan. Kashmiri chilies add a lovely color, but they don't pack a lot of heat. So I'm also going to be adding 4 regular dried chilies to spice this up. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, and I'm going to allow this to toast. Take these off of the heat and allow them to cool in a bowl. Once cool, I'm just going to cram these into my food processor, and I'm going to start grinding it till it's coarse, and then I will continue to process it till it's nice and finely ground. I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic and a 1-inch piece of ginger, as well as the juice of a lime. I'm also going to add a few tablespoons of water just to get this going. This is looking good, but it's still coarse, so I'm going to add a few more tablespoons of water, and I'm going to keep processing this till it's nice and smooth. I've got a pound of beautiful prawn or shrimp here, and I'm just going to shell them. These have already been deveined, but if yours haven't been deveined, be sure to clean them properly. I'm going to add some salt and a half teaspoon of turmeric, and I'm going to mix this in. Turmeric is an antiseptic, and it also gives great flavor and color. In a saute pan, I'm going to semi-cook my prawn or shrimp without oil to remove all of the excess moisture. Just cook it on one side, flip it over, and then cook it on the other side. Look at the amazing color on this. These look like all of the moisture has been dried off now, so I'm going to remove these and keep them aside. In the same saute pan, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter, and I'm going to allow this to melt. This ghee gives the name ghee roast, but if you wish to substitute ghee for coconut oil or regular oil instead, you can. You're just going to have to strip out the word ghee from the recipe. The ghee is now nice and hot, so I'm going to add 1 cup of finely diced onion, and I'm going to allow this to saute in the ghee. Next, I'm going to add the spice paste or masala that I prepared earlier, and I'm just going to tip this in. I'm going to scrape all of the masala as much as I can anyway. Now remember that yogurt we left to hung? Look how much water has come out of this, and we're left with about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of the hung yogurt. I'm going to add this in. Allow the spice paste to cook for a few minutes. And then I'm going to move some of this aside and add another tablespoon of ghee, and I'm going to saute about 10 curry leaves in it. These curry leaves are incredibly fragrant. Fresh is best, but if you can't find them, look for frozen or dried. You can now see the ghee seeping out of the masala, and the aroma is incredible. Add the semi-cooked prawn or shrimp and cook this for a few minutes till the spice blend coats the shrimp. And of course, I like to add water to my food processor and save that water, which is packed with flavor. I don't want to add it to this particular dish as I want it quite dry, but you can add this to a dal or any other gravy dish. I like to serve this with some more melted ghee. This is perfect served with fresh steamed rice, rotis or appams. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoy this delicious recipe for prawn or shrimp ghee roast. It is absolutely mouth-watering. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, guys. I upload a ton of videos every week. Also, ring the bell. That's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. And share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. And follow me on all of my social channels. I upload a ton of behind-the-scenes footage there. So do come there, drop me a line, and tell me what you think. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Until I see you next time, happy eating. Take care. Bye.